Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're dipping into dip powders from Nellie Belles, and we're also using these gorgeous decals that these are new to the Nellie Belles shop, and they are amazing, and you're going to see the decal here in action. Now decals, especially the full coverage ones, I like to do on a white background just to really make those colors pop, and that decal sheet is super vibrant, so this white nail is completely going to make those decals shine through. So I'm only doing one dip of white. I cured it for 30 seconds, and that is it. That is our accent nail for the decal. And then we're going into this gorgeous blue here. It is amazing, and wait till you see the color pay off on that second dip. It is amazing. And then we're going to be using a really gorgeous chunky glitter today that just really ties in the decal and all these colors together. So let's dive into this mani, and then I'm going to pop back in when it's time to play with that gorgeous water decal. Alright, now that we cured this glitter accent nail for 30 seconds, I'm doing another layer of gel base over this entire nail, and that's going to cure for 30 seconds, and while that's curing, we're going to go ahead and file and buff the other nails here. Now, filing and buffing is a breeze when it comes to the Nellie Belles dip powders. For the solid colored nails here, I'm just doing the sidewalls and the free edge and just cleaning and reshaping just a little bit, and then this glitter nail, I'm just going to gently buff the top of this glitter nail. I just had a slight unevenness, which is completely normal when you're working with chunky glitter. That's why I did that extra barrier of the gel base. The gel base, I did not have any sticky tackiness to it. If your gel base does have a sticky layer to it, just wipe that off with a lint-free wipe with a little bit of alcohol in it before you go head in with your buffing block. But I'm just using a very delicate hand just to even out this nail here, and then we're going to go in and just clean up the sidewalls and everything like that. And I did take that nail off that press-on stand just to make sure that I was really getting into all those nooks and crannies underneath the sidewalls and the free edge there, just to make sure that everything was laying flat. But this glitter was super easy to file and buff, and I did not break into any of those gorgeous glitters. So now it's time to play with with the most gorgeous water decal I have ever seen. It is so vibrant in color. It is everything. Now you can see here that that nail wrap that we're using, that decal, it's a full nail wrap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a layer of Makartt transfer foil gel on that entire nail. I'm going to apply it just like you do with your gel base or top coat, and I'm curing that for a full 60 seconds. And then once that's cured, you are ready to go ahead and place this full coverage nail wrap onto the nail here. I placed that decal in room water temperature for about 30 seconds here, and I like to use a jelly stamper just to make sure that I am placing that where I like on the nail here. And now we're just going to gently take this flat brush here, and I'm going to dip it into some acetone. I like using the Onyx acetone. I'll link that in the description box below because I feel like it's a little bit more forgiving. But again, we are using acetone to just make sure you are not oversaturating that brush, and we're just gently removing that extra decal that is hanging over the nail here. And this decal, it is just so vibrant. I love it so much. And I really like that it has a lot of details and stuff to it. It's just such a pretty decal. And now I'm just taking a little bit of acetone on this flat brush and just removing any lines or air bubbles that may be on the top of this decal, and that's it. And I just use a feather touch. I did not press very hard on that at all. So then to seal in this decal, I'm doing a layer of gel base, and then we're going to make sure we're capping the free edges and cure that for 30 seconds. And just make sure that you take your time when you are doing these decals because you are going to love the end result. They're just so fun and gorgeous. And then to finish off this mani, we're going in with another layer of gel base. We're going to cure that for 30 seconds. I did skip that decal nail since we already had a layer of gel base on there, and then I'm just doing a layer of gel top coat on the rest of the nails, and I cured it for 60 seconds. Here's the finished mani. I love this mani so much. There's something about the colors, this glitter, this decal, it's everything. It is rich, vibrant in color, and it's just so adorable, and it's the perfect accent nail. Wait till you see the final pictures of this mani. I did take pictures outside, and the glitter and just all the colors just come to life. This has to be one of my favorite manis that I've created with Nellie Belles dip powders. I love it so much. So again, new colors dropped today. So did these fun decal sheets, and they are definitely worth it. So head over to Nellie Belles after this video, and you're going to find something that catches your eye. I hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did, and I will see you all in tomorrow's upload.